In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to learn how we can convert a picture data into Excel table data that we can easily modify and use. So to start with, I'll go and open one of the browser. After opening the browser, as you can see, I have a list of many images which contain the data in tables. Then from there, I'll go and select one of the image. I can I can select this one. This is the image which contains the data for the payroll or the salary sheet for XY company. So after selecting this one, this is just a preview. So I have to go ahead and save it. So I will go ahead and save this image. After saving this image, I need to give it the name, and the name is going to be sample one. Then I'll go and save it in the picture library. So from there, you can save it anywhere you want. You can navigate through your directories and save it anywhere, either on your libraries or disk drive or anywhere in the network. Then from there, go ahead and save. After saving, now you can see that this image has been downloaded and has been saved in your picture library. So from there, go and open Excel again. After opening Excel, now from there, what you do, we are going to select one of the tabs in the ribbon, and that is the Data tab. So click on the tab called Data. Then from there, look for a group called Get and Transform Data. After getting this group, I want to now choose the one which says pick picture from a picture. So we're going to get data from the picture. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and then from there, click on the picture file. Then from here, you get a dialog box. I will get a dialog window, or a new window will open, and this window will be now directing us where to get the picture that we saved. So we are now trying to navigate through different windows, through different directories to see where we saved the image that we are trying to convert into Excel data. Then from there, I saved it under picture library. So what I'm going to do, I saved it the name as the sample one. So I'll click on sample one, and then you see the file under the file name, sample one will appear. Then I go ahead and select insert. Now when you click on insert, you have to wait for some seconds. You have to wait for some seconds as it processes. So Microsoft Excel will process your data, and you see right now, you can see on the right side there's a preview of the picture, and then down here you can see there's a data on how it's going to appear when it is inserted in Excel. So, but you can see I have some kind of I think is it some cells with different colors, so meaning that my data may have some issues. So what you have to do, you have to go to review. Now when you go to review, you realize that there is a like S1 has issues. Go ahead and accept it, and then to even preview down there, like the to resume into the mirror and show you which kind of data have a problem. So go ahead and accept that one too. Accept that all the data which contain issues, go ahead and accept if you think there's no any other thing that you can change on it. So after accepting each and everything, now everything is sorted. Now from there, you can now see the preview table has no any issue. There's no any other color maybe to show that this highlight contains some errors. Then from there, you'll see a button which is telling you to insert the data into your Excel worksheet. So from there, go ahead and hit on that button. After hitting on that, then you get a warning. This warning, they are telling you that, hey, you are responsible for validating the accuracy of the data. Of course, they are not sure if this data is accurate. So if you decide to use it, if you decide to convert it and use it, then you are responsible. No one who is responsible on that. So for now, we are just doing this for study purpose, but in case you get data for your business or for any other thing, you need to be responsible. You need to first check the accuracy of the data that you are trying to convert from the internet or to your Microsoft worksheet. Then from there, I'll go ahead and select insert. After that, now you realize that the data has been inserted. So you can pick, you can highlight, cut this, and then you can come and I think you can start from here, paste it here, so you can easily see it well. Now, when you look at this information, this is the table which has been inserted. Of course, the way the information is displayed is not accurate, because you realize in the process of converting, I had some errors which I was just accepting because I wanted to. I'm just showing you how you can convert a data from internet, which is in form of an image, into Excel table that you can use. But when you see right now, this is going to be the heading. I can go ahead and merge this cells, merge and center, and then from there I can adjust the height of this row, and then I can also adjust the height of that. So you have to make sure that you adjust so that your work is well organized, your table is well organized, and then from there, these are headers. You can abort them. You can go ahead and insert this into a table, put this in a table form, go to insert tab, then select table. Of course, you get this dialog box window, which is telling you that hey, my table has headers. Select that and press OK. Now the data has been put into a table form, and then from there you can now see that you have different tables, and from here now you can go ahead and do whatever thing you want. You can use any function to calculate whatever thing you want. We have the number, the employee name, the designation, and then we have the salary. Like if you realize there's a column which you don't need, you can go ahead and hide it, and then from there, or you can delete that so that your work is organized. Like this one, you can go ahead and hide that, and this you can delete, and this one you don't need them, or you can hide. Or if you realize there's any kind of a column that you don't need, you can go ahead and delete that, so that you can remain with your data in a table which is well organized. So you can now say I have information, I have data which I got direct from this image which I got from internet. After that, I converted this image into a table of data in Excel, which I can now use the data in the table and achieve whatever thing I want.